Well, for me, entertainment is always evolving. You know, everything's online now. That's how we work, that's how we shop, that's how we unwind, you know? Parang for me, it's about evolving experiences. You know, may it be streaming movies or, you know, TV shows or shopping. Parang for me, this is just another facet of that digital space. And again, I think it's good to have options and get to have a choice, but do it responsibly. And again, in moderation. Thank you.
Actually, totoo yung sinabi ni Ate Bea, napapaisip nga din ako kasi lahat talaga nag-evolve, lahat nagbabago. So, paano ito makakapagbago sa atin lahat? I think it's how you really do it, how you really enjoy in moderation and in control and responsibly is how it will change po for everyone. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Alright, more questions please. Grabe, very well-spoken si Miss Bea and Miss Andre.
Kasi naka 10 hours to sleep na.
Wala talaga?
Naka 3 hours na.
Naka 3 hours, I think
Sabaw-sabaw na.
Si Ate Bea na po sa kasi naka 10 hours of sleep.
I love that so much. 10 hours of sleep pala talaga dapat ang goal.
10 hours.
Totoo.
I know my supporters, and my supporters really value balance. So I think they'll appreciate New Star because it's about creativity and enjoyment, but in enjoying in moderation and also appreciating quality experiences.
Yeah. Me too. I think my fans or my supporters are also very responsible, and they know that if you enjoy something, like me, everything in life should be in moderation. Right? In every aspect of life, it has to be in moderation. And feeling ko, I also want to highlight how a Filipino brand is, you know, competing on a global stage or a global digital space and doing it really well. I mean, I want to also focus on how creative these people behind New Star are. Again, creativity and confidence. When they are very bold, but they have the goods to back it up, you know? They know what they're doing. And again, they're doing it very well. And it's elevating something Filipino. And I think that's worth admiring.
Yes, tulad po ng sinabi ni Ate Bea, and I also like that it's very modern. It's very classy din, but it's very mindful at the same time. And you can, it really encourages us to have fun, but still remember to be responsible at the same time.
Like I'm talking to beauty queens na talagang pinaghandaan yung kanilang mga sasabihin. Maraming salamat. Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, the newest ambassadors of New Star Online, Bea Alonzo and Andrea Brillantes. Maraming salamat. And thank you also to our friends from the media for the questions and for allowing us to celebrate this wonderful occasion with you here. So thank you so much. Again, ladies and gentlemen, New Star Online is elegance, it is luxury, and it is innovation brought to life. So just to answer again all the questions, this really is a platform for the Filipino, made by the Filipinos. And tonight we proudly present, of course, the premiere of the newest campaign material featuring the one and only, ladies and gentlemen, Bea Alonzo. Please direct your attention to the screens and watch this. Powerful and perfectly New Star Online. Ibang klase, ang nag-iisang Bea Alonzo lang naman ang nasa commercial ng New Star Online. Of course, congratulations to the entire production team behind that campaign. And with this said, we would like to call back in